and welcome to my channel, and in this video is a very special video. I have finally reached 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support to this channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all your nice comments. I just love you guys so much. And also, it is my 1-year YouTube anniversary. So today is a very special video, and to celebrate, we are going to be making a giant fluffy slime, and we're going to be using an entire gallon of Elmer's school glue. So I am so excited. I've been waiting for this video for a while, and yeah. And because this is a very special day, I have changed my intro, and I hope you guys like it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Now on to the video. So here I have my gallon of Elmer's school glue, and I'm just going to dump this in the container. This is so much fun. Okay, I'm so excited to just pour 2 cans of shaving cream. Okay, you guys, this is like a big marshmallow. I'm not sure if I should just add more shaving cream, but I'm going to start off with this, and I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing. Okay, I have literally been only mixing for like less than a minute, and I think it's pretty mixed in, but I'm still going to keep mixing. Alright, I have decided the slime is not fluffy enough, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some more shaving cream. About to overflow, but I still have some room to spare, so I think it's fine. This is just so amazing. I cannot wait to touch this. Alright, now for the next step, I went to the dollar store and picked up some baby oil. So this is kind of small, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump the entire thing in. Here we go. This in, but I feel like the baby oil didn't do anything because it's so big, so I'm going to go ahead and add a second one. I don't know how to explain it, but that is just so amazing. So I feel like I've mixed everything as best as I could. I feel like the shaving cream's all mixed in, but I still feel like the baby oil's like sinking to the bottom. So I can't really mix it. I'm trying as hard as I can, but it's kind of hard to mix. So I think I'm just going to move on to the next step. So to color this beautiful slime, I've decided to do a blue. I'm going to be using some blue food coloring. I hope this is going to be enough. So yeah, so I'm just going to start dripping this in. Okay, so I feel like I used enough, so I'm just going to start off with this. Guys, look how pretty that looks. It's so drizzly. This is so pretty. I'm gonna get a close-up so you guys can see how pretty this is. So this is what it looks like. It hasn't fully mixed in, but this is so gorgeous. The camera is not catching how pretty this is. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start activating. I know it's gonna need all this, so I'm just gonna dump in 2 cups of hot water in here. Just like that. Alright, I'll start mixing this. Starting to clump, good sign. This is so big, you guys. This just feels so good to mix. I don't know what it is. I wish you guys could just feel how good this feels. Alright, this is pretty activated, so I'm just going to go ahead and start working it with my hands. This just feels so good. So hold that right there. Okay, so the slime is all done. This is super nice. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I do feel like I overactivated a little bit, but it's still really good. It doesn't stretch as much as I want it, but it is the most amazing slime. It is so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. This just feels so good. Wonder if I dumped it on the table, what would happen? Whoa, this is so big. Guys, this feels so good. I love taking my fist and like pressing it in the slime. Feels so good, you guys. I am so happy with how this slime turned out, you guys. This is like awesome. I'm really glad because this container did come with a lid, so it fits perfectly on top. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I am so excited that I got here. And I wouldn't be here without you guys, so thank you so much. Just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. Bye! See you guys next week!